Heather from Project Pinup. Today I wanted to do a quick little tutorial on how to make this cute little tiki necklace. I got some really pretty mother of pearl beads from the gem show in January here in Tucson, Arizona. I went with a couple friends and we go every year and it's a blast, and every year I get new materials to make different jewelry pieces. So I was thinking about this necklace for a while and I wanted to do something with these really cute little tiki beads that I got a couple years ago, and then I found these really pretty mother of pearl kind of spiky beads to add to it. So here we go. Grab your tools and grab your coffee and let's get started.
Okay, here are the tools that you're going to need first. For this project, I'm going to use a flat nose plier, a curved nose plier, some cutters, and a crimp bead tool. Next, you're going to need crimp beads in your size preference, and then jump rings, lobster claws, and crimp bead covers. You'll also need jewelry wire to match your crimp bead size. Then pick out your favorite mother of pearl beads. I like to arrange them by size. You'll see what I mean in a minute. And don't forget the cute little tiki beads. We also added some really pretty Czech crystal beads. And lastly, add your jewelry tag for that extra bit of flair. Okay, let's get started. Go ahead and cut 22 inches of jewelry wire with your wire tools. Then go ahead and arrange your beads according to size on your bead mat. This will make it a lot easier so you know the placement of each bead and you won't have one side too long. String your tiki bead on first. We're going to start from the center and work our way out. Then we're going to string the rest of our beads starting from one side then the other. Once you get to the end of the first side, make sure you have a little bit of slack so then we can put on our findings. String your crimp bead and then your jump ring, and then put the wire through the crimp bead again, and then you're going to take your crimp tool and crimp each side of the crimp bead. Next, you're going to get the crimp bead cover, and then you're going to place it over the crimp bead and then close the clasp. And after the bead is closed, then you can tuck in all the other beads down the wire and then trim the excess. Then proceed to the other side, stringing the rest of the beads. You're going to add a lobster clasp after you do the same findings like you did on the other side. And in this step, I added a few jump rings and then attached my jewelry tag at the end. If you have some spare parts, go ahead and make a pair of matching earrings to go with your tiki necklace. Don't they look so cute? I love them. Well, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on jewelry, pinup, and anything rockabilly. Thanks, guys!